Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace or repair the drive axle or the drive shaft on Skoda Fabia. The procedure is similar for most Skodas and Volkswagen and Seat cars. First, to start by removing the wheel. So this is the drive axle that I'm going to be removing right there. On the inner side it's held by bolts that we need to remove, 6 bolts. We need to remove the front bolt on the CV joint where it holds the wheel hub, and also we need to remove this ball joint. First, to start by removing the bolt holding the CV joint to the wheel hub. Next, we're going to remove the bolts on the inside. Right there are 6 bolts, and in order to get them loosened, I'm going to put a screwdriver into the brake disc. You see exactly where I put it, into the brake disc through the brake caliper, so that it holds it in place while I try to loosen the bolts. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. When I loosen the 2 bolts that I'm able to reach, I'm going to remove the screwdriver, turn the wheel, and get to the second 2 bolts, and like that for the rest of them. Now that I've loosened all the bolts, I'm going to use an electric wrench to remove them. You can see they're all removed from their threads, so I'm not going to take them out completely. I'm going to leave them there, and now I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the ball joint to the control arm. Next, I'm going to remove the wheel hub from the ball joint and take out the drive axle from the wheel hub, and now I can take the whole drive axle out. And that's the drive axle out. Now I'm going to take out the other drive axle. I'll start again by removing the wheel. So that's the drive axle that again we're going to be removing. It's exactly the same procedure as the other one. We need to remove those 6 bolts holding the drive axle on the inside. Here there isn't much space to remove them, but we'll get there eventually. Maybe we need the long extension to remove them. Again, we'll start by removing the bolt that's holding the drive axle on this side, and now we're going to start removing those bolts. Again, put a screwdriver in there and start removing them. On this car there is not much space to get to those bolts, so I'm using a long extension, but if you're doing it on some other cars it might not be the same case. Firstly, I'm only loosening them and moving the screwdriver so that the bolts that I'm going to be removing are on this side where I have more space, and then I'm going to use an electric ratchet to take them out completely. Next I'm going to remove the 3 bolts holding the ball joint and then take out the drive axle. And that's the drive axle out. These are the 2 drive axles. One is the longer one, the other one is the shorter one. Now I'm going to start putting them back on. Now that the drive axle is in place, next I'm going to put it onto the transmission where it goes and put on and try to tighten the bolts. First I'm going to hand tighten them just so that they start going, and afterwards I'm going to use the electric ratchet, and afterwards maybe tighten them with the normal ratchet. When I'm done with this one, then I can start doing the other one. On this short drive axle I have more space where you can see exactly what I'm doing, unlike on the other drive axle, so here you get a better view of what's happening. First again I'm going to put the drive axle in its place and hand tighten the bolts on the inside. Now that all the bolts are hand tightened, I'm going to use the electric ratchet to tighten them as much as possible, and afterwards I'm going to use a normal ratchet just to make sure they're tightened well. So in order to tighten them well, first I'm going to put again the screwdriver in the brake disc so that the drive axle doesn't turn, and now I'm going to tighten them with the ratchet. Now that the bolts are tightened, I'm going to put on the ball joint into the control arm, and also put the bolts on, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and subscribe.